Oh. There's the Ajax. Very nice. Oh! Shocking. Havenstreet Train Story, everybody. Lovely truck, isn't it? Freight was quite interesting in the very, very past.
When I was a boy.
Yeah. What, in the 50s or so?
Oh, yeah.
Do you remember freight in the 1950s? Yeah. Used to be pulled by those 9Fs and the Black 5s and the A classes by Nigel Gresley. They used to pull. They would have pulled more of these, don't you think?
I think so, yeah.
How many trucks do you remember seeing? I hope you don't mind me asking, but how many? Yeah, how many trucks do you remember seeing a big tender engine pull in one go?
Well, my knowledge of railways is a small steam train that ran from Robertsbridge to Tenderden,
Okay.
in East Sussex. So
yeah.
my knowledge is not very great, really.
There wasn't a lot of freight?
No.
Oh, but have you ever...
Hop pickers train.
Oh, okay. But have you ever seen heavy freight on the main line?
No.
Oh, okay. So you lived near a branch line, didn't you?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Oh, I see. Wow, you just found out from somebody who remembers freight in the 50s. Yeah. And then these diesels came into view in the late 50s, early 60s, and steam was fully abolished in 1968. Oh, lovely. There's number 2 Yarmouth, the Yarmouth Huff. A Yarmouth Loof. It's Yarmouth, Y-A-R-M-O-U-T-H. And there's the BR Class 05 Shunter. Nuclear thread. Is that very nice? Freezing. Very nice.